Hello everyone, I hope you guys have amazing day. Today we are here at Fattoush restaurant, halal food in San Diego, California. I came here, order my food, I review the food. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay with us at the end of this video. And don't forget subscribe and thumbs up our channel. Thank you.
We opened this restaurant up in 2010. This is all Palestinian, Syrian, Lebanese food. It's a mixture of where we're from. It's family owned and operated, and we've been here since then. Will be the most authentic food you'll probably get in San Diego, California. It's really delicious. I hope you guys stop by.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hope to see you again.
Take care.
Thank you.
Our tea is ready, and also David ordered yogurt. Ready. Hot tea. We sit outside. The weather's cold. It's amazing. Okay. Falafel. And what's called this one? Yes.
Stuffed grapefruits.
Stuff. Okay.
So the vegetarian, and then this is the Lebanese with za'atar.
Awesome. Your great decoration.
Chicken shawarma plates.
Awesome.
Beef shawarma plates. More salad that comes with the other plate. And this is hummus.
Hamas. So let's start from appetizer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Grape leaf. Yeah. Inside rice. Kind of sour and soft. Delicious. It's melt in your mouth when you eat it.
And this is the gyro sandwich.
Gyro sandwich.
This is for you, okay? Anything else for you guys?
Right now it's okay. If we need, probably.
Feel free to ask for anything.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Of course, enjoy.
We'll try falafel. Falafel sauce. Alright, falafel dry and crispy. Delicious. Salad. Wow. Salad is really good. I don't know which kind of sauce they are putting on top of the salad. The sauce is So delicious. Look at this. Okay. It's bread, and they put some sauce on the top of the bread with oil. So the chicken gyro plate, the gyro is really good. The chicken. Let's try some sauce with. The sauce is spicy, so delicious. The chicken gyro is soft, really good, not oily. It's amazing. Let's try the lamb gyro plate. Also this one, Arabic rice. Flowers are using saffron or different color. I don't know. No. So we just done our food. The food is delicious. The owner manager is really good, friendly. The halal food, serve halal food. They come from Palestine, Lebanon, and their background is I think Lebanese. And everything is awesome. The kitchen was very clean. For COVID-19, I'm not going to inside the kitchen. But everything was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please smash the thumbs up and subscribe. If you are not already subscribed, push the icon bell. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great time. Ya Allah. Assalamu alaikum.